Today we're going to talk about my little EDC pack and a new flashlight. Let's do it. So I was contacted the other day by this company called Olight, which is a company that I've known and have used their products for a long time. I was really happy to hear them reach out. They wanted me to look at a flashlight for traveling, overlanding, living on the road in a vehicle, and how this particular light that they sent me to review could make a difference in our day-to-day lives. As a matter of fact, I have been carrying flashlights and just general EDC products for a long time. This right here is a pouch that I keep in the little cubby next to our bed. And in here, I keep a few things. Even though this video is about the flashlight, I'm going to show you guys from Olight. By the way, they sent me a light to review. They did not pay me for it. And they have in no ways told me what to say about their products. So I'm going to give you my first impressions on this flashlight. Some of you guys also know that we started this freely roaming channel, and all of these product reviews and how-to types of content will start going over there. But I want to leave a few of these on here since right now we're in Croatia, we're not really traveling. So I think this is a good opportunity for me to share some of this stuff with you guys on this Molly Mish channel. So anyways, I want to show you guys just what the day-to-day kind of stuff that I carry in this little pouch is. First of all, it's a really nice pouch by Maxpedition. And in here, I've got just a handful of things. So let me show you. Right here I have, as you can see, a couple of knives, a little piece of paracord. I think this is about 25 feet maybe. A couple of different sizes of Sharpies, a lighter. In here I have a little field notes notebook to write stuff down. There's also a little key keeper here. And then here I have like my backup wallet with some cash in here and a ID card, extra ID card. A book of matches. This is from free matches I got from the Cliff Castle Casino in Arizona. I think I got it when we spent the night in their parking lot. And a Anchor USB charger. So anyways, this video is not about this pouch or what's in it, but it's actually about this product. This is the Olight Warrior Mini that Olight sent me to review. Because we're in Croatia and we actually had quite a bit of hassle trying to get this thing sent to me. This was sent from, I believe, China. And the way that you have to send things to Croatia, you have to write very specifically what it's for, how much it costs. And the customs people actually open the package and inspect it, and then they go online to see what it's worth. So yeah, we had to go back and forth. And this review was supposed to be live last week because they had a flash sale for this light, which was just launched last week. I didn't get the light in time. I didn't make that, but they did give me a promo code for you guys to go buy this light at. I'll put them down below in the links. And just to give you guys a little bit of data behind this, this is a light. I'll let you read this for a second. This is a light that is designed for everyday carry. It's pretty small, as you can tell, but it's extremely powerful. I've been playing with this for a couple of days now. Extremely powerful light. Feels really good in the hand, really well made. As you can see, fits in the hand nicely. It has 5 brightness settings. Lowest, they call it the moon setting, which is only 1 lumen. And it will run at 1 lumen, the moon setting, for 45 days. Which is pretty incredible. And then the next level up is 15 lumens. It'll run for 150 hours. And then the next level up, medium, 120 lumens. and that'll run for 18 hours. And then high, in the high setting, it'll run for 50 minutes at 117 lumens. And then turbo has a setting of 1,500 lumens, which is unbelievable for a light like this. But in that high setting, it'll only run for, let's see, looks like 4 minutes. It is waterproof, IPX8. It can withstand a 1.5 meter drop, and it has 190 meters of light being thrown. The length, show you the dimensions. As you can see here, it is 4.19 inches, which is 1.65 millimeters. The bezel diameter is just under an inch, 0.91 inch, and that's in 23 millimeters in metric. And it weighs, including the battery, 105 grams or 3.7 ounces. Let me show you what all comes in this box. So basically, I just took it out of this box. What I really like about this flashlight for everyday carry purposes is that it is rechargeable by USB. And for me, that is a really important aspect of anything that I carry that takes electricity. I don't want to have to deal with batteries too much. And what's really cool is that this regular USB plug just plugs in, so I can take my battery bank that I carry with me, plug it in. As you can see, this green light lights up, and it just connects to the back of this flashlight magnetically. It's actually fully charged, and when it's low, it'll turn to red to show you that it is charging. But that's all you have to do to charge it. You just stick it right there to charge it. I have an Olight USB charger that is very similar to this one, except it'll charge rechargeable AA's, rechargeable CR123s, and also any cylindrical lithium batteries. And this one actually takes a cylindrical lithium battery. Let me open this up and show you. To open it, you just twist the top off, and then this 18650 battery is what comes with it. It's a really nice, really high quality, really high capacity lithium ion battery that has 3,500 milliamp hours at 3.6 volts. Really nice battery. And just to give you a list of features that this light has. As you can see, it has a clip, and this is a dual action clip. They have a name for this. What do they call it? Two-way pocket clip. So you can see this pocket clip, you can clip it this way, so you can have the bezel pointing up, or you can clip it this way, bezel pointing down. So why would you do it this way? Well, I don't know. I guess this way you can carry this a little bit deeper in your pocket, so only this little tip comes out. But if you carry it this way, it's more sort of ready for action, and the light bezel points down, and then there's more of it for you to grab onto if you needed to pull it out really quick. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. It has two switches, has a tail switch in the back, and it also has a side switch. The tail switch works like this. There's a momentary on and off. If you just half press and you hold, that'll stay on. But if you let go, it comes off. But if you do a full press and let go, that'll go on. Full press and let go, turns off. So that's cool. Momentary on, and finger off, turns off. Momentary, momentary. But if you do a single click and let go, that'll leave it on. Click and let go, turns it off. There's two settings. You can do, if you do a half click, that's not as bright. And if you do a full click, that is full brightness. That's the full 1500 lumens. Really bright. It's actually kind of blinding me. Okay, and then the side right here, if you do one click, it'll turn it on. It'll remember the last setting that you have it on, and then you have a little green light showing you that it's on. And if you do another click, turns it off. If you do a press and hold, that is what's called the moon mode. This is the 1 lumen mode that lasts 45 days. Really, really low power consumption. And this is perfect for like if you're in total darkness and you want to just read something. You just press and hold the side button and it turns it on. Turns on to moon mode. And press and hold. It'll change settings from moon to the other 3 setting, which is low, medium, high. And if you press and hold, it'll toggle through those modes. So it goes low, medium, high, low, medium, high, low, medium, high. So if I leave it on high and I do a single click, that turns it off. And I do another single click, it remembers I had it on high. And that turns it off. To get it on moon again, press and hold. Now we're on moon. And do turbo, hard click on the back. That's turbo. Super, super bright. So that's the Olight Warrior Mini. Anodized aluminum. It's milled out of a block of aluminum. Really nice knurling for good grip. And there's also kind of some texture on the bezel. Really nice quality light. I will go into more detailed comparison of this light with other lights on the Freely Roaming channel. I'll put a link down there in the description for you guys to go check that out. There's a bunch of other videos on there about, you know, how to live on the road, different things that we use for building our van and stuff like that. But this is just a quick video I want to show you guys about this Olight Mini. And also they actually sent me another light that I haven't opened yet. And I'll show you guys right here. This is a little quick bonus. This is Olight's i3T EOS. They call this a slim EDC flashlight. Says limited edition on there, so I don't know how limited it is, but let me open this for you on camera. You don't need a knife to open this. Just rip off a piece of paper and this slides out. I've not seen this myself, so you're seeing this for the first time with me. Little manual booklet. This is a AAA cell that powers this. Look how tiny that is. So there's an insulating film that you have to remove before you can turn this light on. So let me go ahead and undo this. There is a battery in here. It is a LR03 mercury cadmium battery. It's alkaline, so you can use any alkaline battery in here. Alright, just by looking at it really quick, cool light, really, really small, super tiny. Also has that double-sided clip, so you can do pocket carry like that, deep bezel down pocket carry, or bezel up with more of the light at the ready. This is cool too. Another purpose for this, same you can do for this light, is if you wore a hat, this would clip nicely to the bill of your hat. So if you want to use this as a headlamp while you're wearing a hat, it's a really convenient way to do that because you have this secondary clip where you can clip it onto a hat. So you can just have it on your head when you're out hiking, walking around, whatever. Okay, let's see how bright this thing is. There's only 2 settings to this. There's a low and high, and low is 5 lumens, and then high is 180 lumens. That's actually really bright for a small little light like this. Let's see how the user interface is. I do a single click. Okay, so it just alternates. Each click will turn on the alternate setting. So if I click once and it's low, to get it on high, I just turn it off and click again. And I can do a click where you hear an audible click. That'll leave it on. Or I can do a half click. That'll do momentary. And also alternates bright to low, high to low, high 180, 5. 180 lumens, 5 lumens. And on low, this will run for 16 hours. High, this will run for 21 minutes. That's on a single AAA battery. So, going back to my EDC bag, this flashlight will go nicely right here next to all of my other gear. And just to have a bit of redundancy, I can also carry this light in here. Put my battery bank back in. And just so I can charge it, put this charger cable in here. Zip it all back up. Now this is a nice little package for any kind of emergency. I got a couple of pocket knives in there. I got a couple of flashlights. I have a way to make a fire with a lighter. Also backup matches. I have a way to write notes. I have the way to do all kinds of stuff when it comes to just needing some pieces of equipment that you may not have it with you handily. This is a nice little package, and I like to carry this around, and I'm happy to have these flashlights now that can join this little kit. So that's it. That's what I want to share with you guys today. This cool little Olight package that was sent to review. I'll do a full review on this again on my Freely Roaming channel down below in the links, or you can just go to youtube.com/freelyroaming to check it out. Thank you guys for watching. As always, go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click that subscribe button below. Hope you're having a good day. We'll see you in the next one.